Class 4th. I am R. Dubey. I will teach you English grammar. Today you will study the use of was and where. So, the was and where are the past tense form of the verb is and are. Means present tense. In present tense is used, and past tense, what do you use? Was. And in present tense are is used, and past tense where is used. So for is, was is used in the past tense, and for are in the past tense where is used. So now you have to read these sentences. You carefully see the sentence, what the sentence is all about. It is about the use of was. See here, the river was blue in color. The room was shut for a long time. That was my toy. It was cold last night. So, in these sentences, was is used. So, the main person, animal, or thing is singular in number. You see, the river, singular. Singular means one. The room, singular means one. It also singular. That was my toy. So, it is also a singular thing because that was my toy. It is talking about one toy. It was cold last night. So it now here it is talk about the last night. So we use was with singular nouns. The pronouns he, she, and it, and with this and that. So what is used with was? We use was with singular nouns, and with he also. For example, he was, she was, it was, and with this and that also. Here see, with that was my toy. So that is also used. Now we have to see the sentences given below now to get the knowledge about the use of where. The stars were very bright in the sky. These toys were my toys. Those books were in the library. These pictures were on the wall. So, in these sentences, the main person, place, or thing or animal is plural in number. See here, the stars. These toys, those books, pictures. So the main person, place, animal, or thing is plural in number. So we use where with plural nouns. The pronoun you, we, and they, and with these and those and there. What do you use? Where. See here, these, those, and with plural nouns we use where. So this was your topic. Now coming to the use, we come to the exercise. Fill in the blanks with was or where. It was a fun trip. It, I told you with it, was is used. We, with he, she, it, we use where. So we were lost in the woods. He was fond of computer games. I was. I is singular, no? So with singular was. I was hungry, so I ate a cake. So this exercise was related with was and where. Now they were at their friend's house. So they, your senior, they is used with The where. Okay, they were plural na, so that's why. Those plants were in Mrs. Kapoor's room, so those plants plural again, so where. Sheena singular, so was. The students plural again, where. Plural means more than one. I was singular, the storm was. So now use of is, am, was, were means you have to now see whether it is in present or past. They are in the country now. So it's present tense. So are. Whenever we talk about present, we use are, and singular also. Here it is singular or plural? It is plural because they means many. So they are in the country now. There was a large cloud outside the mall last evening. So was is there was, with there was is used. He is always good to me. This is an expensive car. Is it new? Were you at the hospital yesterday? I read Cinderella when I was younger. So with I was, her hair was thick and long before she cut it off. We are both 7 years old now. Julie and Janet were in the same class last year. So this was the topic. If you have any doubts related to the topic, you can comment it, and please like, share and subscribe the channel so that I can make more quality videos like this and you're also enhanced in knowledge. Thank you.